I can't do this. I have an official piercing addiction. Do you know why? Because it's quarantine. Quarantine is coming. Where's your boyfriend? I haven't got a boyfriend. Men suck. Well, not my dad though, but yeah. So far I have pierced my septum and my nostril. Look, if I can pierce those successfully and have no infection or nothing, then I can pierce anything. Yeah, I'm crazy. I already have so many piercings. I don't know how I'm doing this. I don't know. Help me, help me. Rightio, so I'll be piercing 2 flat piercings, which is basically the upper conch. The upper conch is this bit right here. Okie doke, so I have my librettes and the ball and scissors soaking in alcohol. It's been soaking for hours. I also have some rubbing alcohol here. Girl, it's lockdown, so ignore my nails, but I love the broad needles. This is a 16 gauge. It's just nice and smooth to pierce with these. You'll see what I mean, but let's do it, let's do it. Right, so my hands were already washed before I began this, but anywho, I'm gonna disinfect them again and again and again and again because we want to be clean, okay? I'm gonna clean it twice for good luck. By the way, I had my rook pierced ages ago, so it's healed a long time. Look how many piercings I have. It's a joke. It's actually a joke. Do you know, it's not as big as the one I used to pierce my septum, because that one was scary. That was a 14 gauge. Yeah, this is kind of small, so I'm not as scared of it. The camera's in autofocus now, so if it does any weird noises, it's focusing, but I'm really scared. Why am I so scared? This is my worst angle ever. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm shook. I'm shook. I'm not mentally prepared for this, guys. I'm not mentally prepared. Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't push it through. I'm like shook. I am so shook. I'm so trying to push. I can't get it through. I'm hot and sweaty, man. I'm sweating. Guys, it's been like 10 minutes. Oh my god. I'm not doing another one. I'm not doing another one. I can't do this. So I went to go and get another mirror to check it was through, right? And then it kind of fell out my ear. Don't do this one. This one is stressful. Don't. This is all cartilage. I don't think I want to do this, actually. I don't know what's happened to me. I've lost my mojo. I've lost it. Like, what? What? I'm not a bad bee anymore. Maybe I'll find the courage when this heals to do it again. But guys, that was a bad idea. Now my ear hurts. It hurts. Yeah. So I have one more lovely needle left. Well, I've got more than one. The ones that I like, got one more of those, and I have like 10 others. But maybe I might try again. But subscribe to my channel.